basically it has happened because of barge tech, because of bad weather. There was a sudden bad weather spell, and this vessel was already alongside the crane. She had come to take cargo. She was loading cargo into it because you have got import cargo coming, which will go to Mandavi pellets. She was taking only about 1,500 and odd tons because Mandavi pellets dredging is going on, so they want to take lesser draft. About 2 or 3 buckets were left of cargo to be put. When the master says he heard a sound, there was also very high waves of about 2.5 meters. There could have been some ingress of water from the top, but when he heard a sound, it could have been a crack and there was ingress of water from inside. They noticed that the barge was going down very fast, so they jumped onto the floating crane, all the 9 crew members, and saved themselves. And the barge capsized. The barge was manned legitimately. They had a master driver. I've seen this because I was helping our member of our association with his formalities. His insurance is in order, his manning is in order, his service certificate is in order. So we are helping him to complete the formalities. The insurance company has already been informed. The port authorities, Capno ports, have already been informed. No, it is not an alarm bell. All barges undergo an annual survey each year. And the Capno ports or the deputy Capno ports, they survey the vessels each year. And this vessel has got a valid survey certificate. You see, this was freak weather, and we had freak weather in 2009 also, where a couple of barges had capsized.